Most people hear AI in Slack and think, great, another bot to ignore. At Anthropic, this one already handles 65% of one team's code changes. It's not a bot, it's a coworker. Last week, Anthropic launched Claude Tag. You tag Claude into a Slack channel and hand it actual work, like you would a teammate. I'll show you three things: what it really does, the catch nobody's putting in their thumbnail, and the part you can steal today, even if you never get access. Here's the simple version. Claude now lives inside Slack as its own member of the team. You don't open a chat window, you tag it into a channel, drop a task, and go do something else. Then it comes back in the thread with the work done. Not a suggestion, the actual thing. Picture a team a week out from a launch. Someone hears from sales that one feature is blocking the biggest deals. He doesn't own that feature, so he tags the person who does, and he tags Claude into the same thread. Claude reads the channel. It follows the decisions as they change in real time. Then it ships the fix and posts back. Nobody booked a meeting, nobody wrote a formal brief. And before you think this is a coding tool, watch what it grabbed in Anthropic's own demo. The latest blog post from Drive, the feature table, the beta invite email. That's marketing and ops work, the exact stuff your team actually drowns in every week. Think weekly client reports, updating the CRM after a call, turning a messy meeting into action items, the work that quietly eats your whole Tuesday. So why does this matter more than the chatbot you already tune out? Three things. 1. Memory. It learns how your company works as the work happens. Tell it once that your clients hate jargon and it just remembers. You stop re-explaining context every single time. 2. It has its own account with its own permissions, scoped per channel. In the legal channel, it can see contracts. In the marketing channel, it can't. Not because it's being polite, because it literally cannot see them. That's a real answer to the "but is my data safe" question. Access is walled off by channel, not by trust. 3. It's multiplayer. One Claude in the channel and your whole team hands off to it. You start a task and go to lunch. A teammate picks it back up. Claude is still on it, still in the thread. Think about what that kills. The quick sync to get aligned, the doc nobody updated, the handoff that died in someone's DMs. Which is exactly where the catch hides. Stay with me. 2 catches, actually. The first is simple. Right now it's enterprise and team only, in beta. If you're a small team or a solo operator, you can't tag Claude in yet. So why should you care today? Hold that thought. The second catch is bigger. TechCrunch flagged it as a play to capture your company's context. Put simply, the real product here is your company. Every thread, every decision, every doc becomes context this thing keeps and learns from. That's exactly why it's useful, and it's exactly what you're signing up for. I'm not telling you that's bad. I'm telling you to know it before you hand an AI the keys to your company's memory. Useful and harmless are not the same word. And Anthropic isn't alone here. Microsoft, Glean, Snowflake, they're all racing to be the AI that sits on top of your company's knowledge. Whoever holds that context holds the account. This is a land grab, and your data is the land. Okay, so if most of us can't even use it yet, why should you care at all today? Because the part that matters for the rest of us is coming up next, and it works in the Claude and ChatGPT you already have. Before I get to it, take 2 seconds and subscribe. Every Tuesday, one AI workflow you can ship the same week. Real numbers, no code. Here's the thing. Claude Tag is not really a feature. It's a way of working. And you can copy that this afternoon without any beta access. Most people treat Claude and ChatGPT like a vending machine. Type a request, grab the output, walk away. A coworker doesn't work like that. So steal 3 moves. And stick around for the third one. Almost nobody does it, and it's the move that makes the first 2 actually stick. Move 1. Give it a standing brief. At the top of a project, tell it who your team is and how you work. Once. Now it stops guessing. Something like, we're a 5-person agency, our clients are dental clinics, we write plain and short, and we never sound salesy. That one paragraph changes every answer after it. Move 2. Let it pull instead of push. Don't dump instructions and hope. Say, here's the goal, ask me what you need before you start. That's the same move from last week's video, and it's still the highest leverage thing you can do with any AI. Move 3, the one almost nobody does. Make it carry the thread. Paste the real back and forth from your email or chat. Then say, keep up with this and tell me what changed. Now it tracks the work instead of answering one question. It'll tell you the 3 things that moved and the 1 call you still have to make. That's it. Brief it, let it pull, make it carry the thread. Do those 3 and your normal Claude starts acting a lot more like that Slack coworker today. So zoom out. Claude Tag is a preview of where all of this is going. AI stops being a tab you open and becomes a teammate that's already in the room. Most of us can't tag it into Slack yet. That's fine. The way you work with it, the brief, the pulling, the thread, you can run that this afternoon and feel the difference by Friday. And if you want to watch me build a full system like that from scratch, no code, with real numbers, that one's coming. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I put those 3 lines on a 1-page cheat sheet ready to paste. The link's in the description, no email wall. Then tell me in the comments, what's the first task you'd hand to an AI coworker? I read every one the first day. I'll see you Tuesday.